Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have some garden egg sauce. Yes, something simple and delicious with some plantain here and there. And so if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Click on the notification bell, I beg. So I have my garden eggs well washed and chopped. So you can chop it into any size and form that you want. And so what you're going to do is you're going to boil this, yes. And I'm going to blend a mixture of tomatoes, that is dawa, garlic, ginger, onion, pepper. Yes, we are going to blend all that. So I have my red oil on fire. Just added in cooked beef and salted fish Kobe. The Kobe is not cooked, so I'm going to fry it a bit, and then I'll take the Kobe out, yes, and leave the beef in it. So I'm going to add my blended ingredients to it, stir it up, and then give it time for it to cook. Please subscribe if you have not, like and share this video for me. I'm adding a bit of water to it. Okay, so we are checking on our stew, and I'm going to add fresh tomatoes to it. So let's check on it again and give it a stir. So I'm going to add salt. Yes, salt and seasoning my spices. But the salt just a little because of the salted fish and also the beef. They all contain salt. The beef also is salted, and this fish that I'm using is also a bit salted, and so just a little salt. Or you can choose not to add salt. After cooking, you taste and then you adjust the salt to your preference. Okay, so we are checking on our stew again. We have already cooked our garden eggs. Yes, it's well cooked, so we'll be adding the garden eggs to it now. So we are going to cover and give it time for it to cook very well. And at this point, our garden egg sauce is ready, but I'm going to add my salted fish, that's the Kobe, and onions to it. Then I'll cover for a minute and that'll be okay. So our sauce is ready. Yes, ready, yes. And so I'm going to serve this with boiled plantain, ripe one, and sweet potato. Yes, that's what I'm going to serve. You can serve with your yam, rice, or anything you want. So this is it. Looking sumptuous, and it tastes awesome too. So thanks for watching. Like this video, share for me, and leave a comment as well. Bye bye.